le participe passé, the past participle. When is the past participle used? The past participle is mostly used with the auxiliary verb être or avoir to form compound tenses, such as the passé composé, also known as the compound past tense, or the past conditional, also called the conditional perfect. When used without an auxiliary verb, a past participle may be an adjective. If you'd like to learn about the passé composé, click here. And if you'd like to learn about the past conditional, click here. To get the past participle of first group verbs, also called ER verbs, replace ER with E with an acute accent. Here are some examples. As you can see, ER from the infinitive has been replaced by E with an acute accent to form the past participle. This change doesn't affect pronunciation at all, so we get chanter, chanter, danser, danser, marcher, marcher, parler, parler. To get the past participle of second group verbs, which includes most IR verbs, replace IR with an I. So for example, choisir becomes choisi in the past participle, finir, fini, punir, puni, rougir, rougi. Third group verbs, which are verbs ending in RE, RIR, and some IR verbs, are irregular, and so their past participles need to be memorized individually. So here's a list of the most common irregular past participles: apprendre, appris, asseoir, assis, atteindre, atteint, avoir, eu, boire, bu, comprendre, compris, conduire, conduit, connaître, connu, courir, couru, couvrir, couvert, craindre, craint, croire, cru, décevoir, déçu, devenir, devenu. Devoir, dû, dire, dit, disparaître, disparu, écrire, écrit, être, été, faire, fait, lire, lu. Mettre, mis, mourir, mort, naître, né, offrir, offert, ouvrir, ouvert, peindre, peint, pleuvoir, plu. Pouvoir, pu, prendre, pris, recevoir, reçu, rire, rit, savoir, su, souffrir, souffert, sourire, sourit. Tenir, tenu, venir, venu, vivre, vécu, voir, vu. Here are the links to my grammar, vocabulary, culture and pronunciation playlists if you're interested. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions, requests or suggestions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget, you can also contact me on Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. Bye!